Hi guys, it's Danielle here with Danielle's Boutique Co. I just wanted to come on and show you guys how to make a simple bow with 3 ribbon. I chose these spring colors because it's spring, but I just want to show you how easy it is to make a bow, a handmade bow that you could add to your decor. I'll be adding this one to a bird cage today, and so yeah, just want to show you guys how easy it is. So I got 3 ribbon here. We have 2 1.5 inch and 1 2.5 inch. And you could actually use more than 3. You could use 2, you could just do 1. But so we always start, or I always start with the largest ribbon I have, which here is the 2.5 inch. So I'm just gonna make a little tail and scrunch it up here. Make a loop over here. I'm not gonna make this one too big. Then bring it around. Gonna pinch it again. Kind of make sure, and I kind of have it squeezed here between my fingers. Since it's wired ribbon, I guess I should mention that it's wired ribbon, then you can adjust it after you use it. And let's see here, we'll go with pink next. Again, just going back over it, making a tail. Gonna twist it this way, make a loop a little smaller than this one, twist it around so that you have the right side showing, make another loop. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take the green here. Again, go over top, scrunch it up here, take and loop it. You can make that one a little smaller, you could make it the same size, either way. However you want. It's a good thing about handmade is that it does not have to be perfect. Okay, once you got your loops going there, just take a pipe cleaner or Chanel stem and come around really tight. Give it a nice twist back here. And this will leave you some room to tie it on something. Okay, then I'm gonna cut here. Cut my tails. These don't have to be perfect either. Okay, let's move this out of the way. I like to dovetail my ends here, but you don't have to. You can cut them diagonally. You could leave them and just roll them under, whatever you prefer. Okay, well, I hope this video helps you guys out and helps you if you're just want to make a simple little bow. Let's move all these to the side. So there's our bow. It's pretty cute. I like it. Nice, cute little spring colors. All right, I'm gonna grab the bird cage. Hopefully it will fit here in the screen and show you how I would tie it on. So here's the bird cage. It's pretty big. You have to adjust the camera a little bit so that you guys can see how I'm doing it. So it's gonna be a little wobbly, but I'm gonna try to adjust it so that you can see it better. So there's the front of the cage. So I would just take the bow, probably right here on the top. And just tie it on. And there you go. Now you've dressed up the little bird cage for spring. Easy peasy. I'm gonna take the camera down so you guys can see it. Pretty cute. And if you wanted to, you could add some greenery on there, spiff it up some more. All right, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.